All right, now let's understand the concept of Markdown. So, Markdown is basically a language that we use to format text in wikis. So, I'm already in my wiki. So, previously we have noted the formatting little bit of it, but here now let's take it to the next level. Let's say I want to type a bold text or italic. How do we do it? Let's find it out. So let's hit enter. I'll paste the code. So here we go. For the bold, if you look, the double star or the double asterisk, whatever we write here, it will be coming in the bold here, right? Italic, single asterisk, whatever text we embed in between, it will be in italic. And for the list, we have seen previously as well, hyphen, then these things. Now let's do some another interesting things, because these are just the basics. We are just getting started with Markdown. Now let's say I want to add links and images. How I will do? So I am here on my uh, homework I've done. Let's simply paste this, and there we go. So here we can see the documentation. Let's verify the link whether it's opening or not. I'll open in a new tab. And now if I open the link in the new tab, it shows the Azure DevOps documentation. So I'm good. Now for the image, remember we have pasted one link here. This is the public picture of me. So yeah, here also we can embed our image as well. So the it's like looks good. If you want to embed any kind of images in the project documentation, right, we can also embed images. Now let's say I want to add some kind of table to track sprint goals. How to do it? Let's hit enter. I'll go to my code here. I'll copy this. Now let's paste this. If I scroll down, here we go with the table. So the table, how we want to configure is the pipes. Inside the pipes, we write the text. And for the line, this straight line, we give the these things, the dashes and all. So that's how we can create table as well. So Markdown, what we understand using Markdown is that we have learned how to make documentation readable, structured. Markdown are simple but powerful. It lets us add emphasis, list, links, I'll say, then images and tables without requiring complex formatting tools, right? So this is what goes the concept of Markdown. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let's meet in our next lecture.